I like to see it lap the miles and lick the valleys up, and stop to feed itself at tanks, and then, prodigious, step around a pile of mountains, and supercilious peer in shanties by the sides of roads, and then a quarry pair to fit its sides and crawl between, complaining all the while in horrid, hooting stanza, then chase itself downhill, and neigh like Boanerges, then, prompter than a star, stop, docile and omnipotent, at its own stable door.
Hi everyone, thanks for watching Graveyard Poetry. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And join us next week for another classic poem. See you then.